What are they supposed to do?
It's better with one cat.
How many cats are in there?
One.
He's like, no, what do I do? It's their little play toy.
I never knew they could have so much fun on a butt.
Huh?
Cupid hit Shin in the butt.
Say hi! Daddy Cuba!
And Shin jumped all the way over the box.
Oh! Oh, now Kelsey's playing.
He's like, I'm not letting you out.
This is the first time the dogs have been anywhere near the cats. And Moshi's growling at them. I'm sorry, I touched your staple. Oh, Yago snoring.
Awesome.
Don't do that. Every time you do that, they get scratched in the face.
No, I don't.
Uh-huh, because they get scared of each other.
I'm scared of Moshi right now.
Well,
Jumping down there and just tearing them apart.
Moshi, you wouldn't attack the kid. Okay, just go to sleep. Stop crying. She's crying. He doesn't even know what the hell to do.
Ow.
There you go. They just like walked on each other's faces.